Welcome back to Smith's Sweets. With Valentine's Day around the corner, today we are going to make strawberries and cream cupcakes. You start with 6 tablespoons of butter and 3/4 cup of sugar. And cream that together until smooth. Alright, now that you have that all mixed up, you're going to add 6 tablespoons of sour cream, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. And mix that together until combined. Okay, then have half your egg whites, mix, and then the rest of your egg whites, and mix again. Then add all your dry ingredients. 1 1/4 cup of flour, 2 teaspoons of baking soda, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Then add 6 tablespoons of milk and 2 tablespoons of water. And mix that all up until combined. Okay, then fill the cupcake liners up halfway and stick them in a 350-degree preheated oven for 15 to 17 minutes. While your cupcakes are baking, we're going to start on the frosting. You have a 1/2 cup of strawberries blended and set that aside. We're going to mix butter, 1 cup of butter until smooth. Half powdered sugar, just about 2 cups. And then mix. Alright. You add 3 tablespoons of milk. And a pinch of salt. Mix that together. Next, we will add the remaining of the powdered sugar. And the strawberries. Mix that. And then finally add the last tablespoon of milk and mix until combined. Now that we have the cupcakes cooling and the frosting made, we're going to work on the filling. Add a 1/2 cup of heavy whipping cream, 1/4 cup of powdered sugar, and a 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla. And whisk that on high until small, soft peaks form. Next, we're going to add 3 ounces of cream cheese and whip that until stiff peaks are formed. Finally, we're going to stir in a half a cup of chopped strawberries. And that is our filling. Okay, now that your cupcakes is cooled, what we'll do next is core them. You can use a core or a knife. Okay, then you will take your filling and fill that to the top. Once you fill them, you will take your frosting, put that on top. And to finish off our cupcakes, we will garnish them with a slice of strawberry. And this is our finished product. Thank you for watching.